Justice wasn't served for Eric Schuhandler.
A convicted cop killer was spared the death penalty today. Instead, it's a life sentence for the man who killed Gilbert Lieutenant Eric Schuhandler during a traffic stop 9 years ago.
A juror says things got extremely heated when they came to that decision. Our Brianna Whitney spoke with that juror as well as an attorney about this case. Brianna?
Yeah, the juror says after a trial that began in January, this is not the outcome she and several other jurors wanted, but a local attorney says he is not surprised by a life in prison sentence.
A decade of waiting, finally coming to an emotional end. Christopher Redondo sentenced to life in prison Tuesday for the 2010 killing of Gilbert Police Lieutenant Eric Schuhandler during a traffic stop. This coming just weeks after he was convicted of the murder. But some of these tears aren't of relief, but of anger.
Justice wasn't served for Eric Schuhandler.
Lisa Lerma was one of the jurors on the trial that began in January and says the room was heated trying to come to a decision that she does not agree with.
There was 6 for the death penalty, 3 undecided, and 3 lives, and we ended up with life, and I don't know how we got there.
What do you have to say to the lieutenant's family today?
I'm so sorry that we weren't able to get there.
But Valley attorney Russ Richelsoph says he's not shocked.
Death penalty verdicts from juries are actually getting more rare.
He says that's largely due to more criticism of the criminal justice system, and people are more hesitant to call for the death penalty because it's something that can't be undone should any new evidence be presented. But he also says this trial took a long time for a reason.
In these kinds of cases, no expense is spared by either side. The prosecution usually presents everything they can in this kind of case.
But this time, the outcome wasn't in their favor.
And the Gilbert police chief also released a statement today, in part saying this finally brings closure to the community and that Lieutenant Schuhandler will be missed but never forgotten. Brianna Whitney for Arizona's Family.